Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Phantom Wallet on Android. Now it's a very easy process. So just simply search for Phantom Wallet on your Android device. After that, just simply open and install the application. So after opening a Phantom Wallet, you have to enter your recovery phase. So after opening a Phantom Wallet, you have to first create a new wallet, and if you have a previous wallet, you can also add that. So to add a new wallet, just simply choose create a new wallet. And if you already have a wallet, just simply click on import an existing wallet. So let's say, for example, if you have an existing wallet, choose the second option over here. And then all you have to do is just simply use the device as authentication. So enable this option. Then authenticate the device, then click on next. After that, just simply enter the recovery phrases that was given to you while you were creating your account for the very first time on whatever platform you were using. Just simply enter the recovery phrase over here, and then your account will be logged in. Now, if you're creating a brand new account, choose the first option, create a new wallet. Now over here again, if you want, you can use the device authentication. Click on next after that, and then after that, it will give you the recovery phrase of your new account. So make sure to copy this and keep it safe, because if you will need to sign into any other platform, or if you like to switch devices wherever you are using it, you will need the recovery phases to import your wallet details from one place to another. So just simply make sure you keep a copy of this, and then after that, just simply click on OK. I saved it somewhere. Then click on yes, and then after that, your account is made. But first, make sure to check this box right over here. Then click on get started. So after that, you will get some notifications. Just simply ignore them, and then you will have your main account. Now over there, you will find few features, like for example, if you would like to receive any type of crypto, you can choose the first option, receive. Then over here, just simply choose what type of crypto you want to receive. For example, Solana. Choose the Solana option. Then it will copy the address. You can also click on the QR code to see the QR code if you wish to send that. You can also do this for the other crypto as well. And let's say if you want to send some crypto, click on the send option. Choose the crypto that you would like to send. After that, just simply paste the address of the wallet where you're going to send the crypto. Then click on next. Then enter your desired amount that you would like to send. After that, click on next and complete the transaction. Now, let's say you want to buy some crypto. Again, you will have the option just over here on the main screen. Click on buy. Choose the crypto that you want to buy. Let's say, for example, Solana. And you want to buy $100 worth of Solana, which is going to be 0.5957. Now click on next. Now, over here you will have few options for the payment method. So choose any one of them. For example, MoonPay. Simply choose that. You will be able to use your debit card and credit card in order to complete the transaction. So just simply complete the transaction and you're good to go. And you will receive the crypto within a few minutes as well. Now, after that, if you want to enable some tokens in your Phantom Wallet, just simply click on manage token list, and you'll find all the tokens right over here. You can enable and disable few tokens over here, and it will show up and disappear in the main screen over here. And at the very bottom, you'll find few more options. Like the first option is your collections. So if you have any collectible items like NFTs or cards, you will be shown right over here. The next one is swap. So if you want to swap your Solana for, let's say for example, any other token like USDT or Bitcoin maybe, just simply choose that right over here. Enter your desired amount that you would like to swap, like for example 0.552. Then it will show you how much USDT you will be getting if you would like to swap that much amount of Solana. All you have to do is click on review order and place the order. Then you will be able to swap your Solana. After that, you will be able to see the recent history in the Thunderbolt option. And lastly, you will have the marketplace option in the globe setting, where you will have multiple tools and things that you can try around with. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.